Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video has been filmed over the past few months and I've just had a lot of random clips on my phone from the lake. I just thought this vlog would be I'm trying to get back on track with my healthy eating and all of that. The next video you see, however, will not be that because I just had my birthday this week when I'm filming this video. So I've been getting a lot of free treats from restaurants and stuff. So after my birthday party, it's time to go back on track and try to eat better. And I did HIIT workouts in this video and I've started walking again with my mom. I'm getting back on track with it. Yeah, you fall off sometimes, but when you fall off, just keep on getting back on track. Hope you enjoyed this video. With healthy eating, I think the best thing that you guys can do when you're starting to eat healthy and trying to start a healthy lifestyle is to make small changes here and there. And that will make a big difference in the long run. A few years ago, I lost a bunch of weight. I've gained some of it back now. But I'm trying to do some of the things that I did back then that worked for me. And it's just incorporating small changes. It's really hard nowadays. Food is expensive. But I've just been trying to eat healthier when I can. Okay guys, so I'm starting to work out more consistently again. And I'm going to do a body project workout. I've also been really loving getting outside. Like I said, these clips are from the last few months. Some of them are more recent, but this is from probably a few months ago. These clips, and I just haven't put them in a video yet, but I've been enjoying the wildlife, enjoying the lake when we go there, and these are from probably a month or two ago. These clips of these ducks, and there were some cute turtles and just lots of cute stuff. With my eating habits, I'm just trying to learn balance, just making those healthy swaps, those small changes can make a big difference over time. And I know I can do better, but this is just what I ate that week, and not going back for seconds, and just being more wise on portion control and those types of things make a big difference. So that is all for this vlog. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you for more videos, Lord willing, soon. Bye guys.